Hi all. So welcome to my channel Tute Math by Shri Duraj. Hope you are all doing good. So now 7th grade chapter 12 CBSE symmetry ആണ് എടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, മാത്ത് ടോപ്പിക്സ് സിമെട്രി ആണ് എടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. സോ ഞാനിത് ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് വെച്ചാണ് പഠിപ്പിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അതാണ് കുറച്ചും കൂടെ നല്ലതെന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോന്നി. ഓക്കെ, സോ എന്താണ് സിമെട്രി? നിങ്ങൾ ഓൾറെഡി നിങ്ങൾ 4th ഗ്രേഡ് തൊട്ട് സിമെട്രി പഠിക്കുന്നതാണ്. സിമെട്രി എന്താണ്? An object is said to be a symmetric when there is a line of symmetry. When the figure can be divided into two identical halves by using a line, then we can say that exhibits symmetry, or that object will exhibit symmetry. Look at this car, this building, this tortoise. Okay, so all are exhibiting symmetry. Or you can just imagine, you can just fold. Okay, if you can fold an object into two identical halves, then that object is said to be exhibiting symmetry, and that line is, or that fold is the line of symmetry. Okay, so so that is basically symmetry. So not only objects are letters, also there are symmetrical letters and asymmetric letters also. Okay, so when you're having a vertical line of symmetry, it's a vertical symmetry. Okay, you can have a horizontal line of symmetry also. So this is a vertical line of symmetry. Here it does not have any horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, what about M is having a vertical line of symmetry. Look at this arrow, this is having a horizontal line of symmetry, right? So the number of symmetrical lines depends upon the object. Okay, some objects will have one or two, only one. Some objects may not have any line of symmetry. Okay, so lines of symmetry for regular polygons. Okay, so let's talk about this. So regular polygons means these are the polygons of equal sides. Okay, polygons means what? They are made closed figures made of line segments. They are called polygons. What is meant by regular polygons? In regular polygons, all the sides will be equal and all the interior angles will also be equal. Look at this equilateral triangle. All the three sides will be equal and all the angles will be the same. So you can say that equilateral triangle is an what? What? It's a regular polygon. So there is a relation between the lines of symmetry and regular polygons. Okay, so what does that means? Okay, so the number of lines of symmetry is equal to the number of sides of regular polygons. Okay, only for regular polygons, not for normal polygons. Okay, so for regular polygons, the number of lines of symmetry is equal to the number of sides. Okay, so since this is an equilateral triangle, this will be having three lines of symmetry. Okay, it will be having three lines of symmetry. Okay, so look at this, you can draw like this, you can draw like this. Okay, and you can draw like this. Okay, so these are the three lines of symmetry. Okay, now so yes, these are some regular figures. Okay, regular pentagon, regular hexagon. So number of lines of symmetry will be equal to the number of sides of the regular polygon. Okay, and you know what is meant by mirror symmetry also. This also you have learned in your smaller grades. Okay, so look at this. Here, instead of line of symmetry, the mirror will act as the line of symmetry. Correct? Is it? The mirror? Look at this, this is the mirror. Okay, and this acts as the line of symmetry. So if you see these images and if you overlap like this, it will exactly overlap each other. So this is an example of mirror symmetry. Okay, we standing in front of our mirror. Okay, it is an example of mirror symmetry. So this is just an activity that you can refer afterwards. Okay, so copy the figure with punched holes and find the axis of symmetry for the following. Okay, so look at this exercise. So here you can have two lines of symmetry, right? Horizontal, correct? I can cut it. Each holes I can cut like into half, so two halves will be identical, and I can draw a line of symmetry like this. Correct? Is it correct? No. So we don't know whether it's a square or a rectangle. Okay, so we cannot draw slanting lines. Okay, and for this figure I can draw a line of symmetry like this. Correct? This is a line of symmetry. Okay, if I draw like this also, it will not happen because the holes will not match here, right? Here I can draw like this. Here also I can draw like this, so that the two halves will be identical. Here I could draw like this, correct? I could draw like this, correct? If it's a square, I can draw like this also. Then also the two halves will be identical, like this also. Okay, correct. Here, how I can make a line of symmetry here? It's not possible. Three holes are here. So how can I make it to two identical halves? Yes, I can draw like this, right? Vertically. This is a line of symmetry, correct? Yes. Okay, what about this one? Yes, I can draw a line of symmetry like this. Correct, vertical. Here I can draw like this. Okay, so these are the lines of symmetry for the following because you have to be careful with the punched holes. Okay, yes, we have a few more. I can draw vertical line like this. Here I can draw vertical as well as horizontal. I can draw like this horizontal. I can draw vertically like this also. Here I can draw vertically like this and I can draw horizontal like this. Here I could draw only vertical. This I can make it to two halves, this punched holes. Okay, this will be one at each end. Okay, given the line of symmetry, find the other hole S. Okay, so this is the line of symmetry. So the other hole here will be coming like here. What about this one? Here will be like nearer to like this, right? Here it will be like this. Here it will be like this, right? And here it will be like here. Correct? Is it? So this is that. And this you can do it. You have to just draw the other half, mirror half, like this. First one like this, then like this. Okay, you have to draw with the same measure. Okay, since I'm drawing roughly, it may not be of the same size. Okay, I'm just showing you the shape. That's it, how it's coming. Here it will be like this, and finally like this. Okay, and here one small dash like this, then slanting, then straight, then slanting, then like this. Okay, so it comes like this. The following figures have more than one line of symmetry. Such figures are said to have multi lines of symmetry. Yes. Okay, so yes, they are said to have multi lines of symmetry. Look at this, these are the examples. Okay, so identify the multiple line of symmetry, if any, in each of the following figures. Okay, yes, I can draw a line like this. This is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, here I can draw 1, 2. So it's a multi-line of symmetry. Here, yes, you can draw like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here also 1 and 2. Okay, two lines of symmetry. Okay, so the figures with more than one line of symmetry set like what? Multi-line symmetry. Okay. Okay. Here also you can draw. Okay, like this, like this. You can draw like this. You can draw like this. Here you can draw only like this. Here you can one, two, three, four. Okay. Here you can one. Okay. Two. Okay. Three. Correct. Can draw like this also. Four. Okay, like this you can draw. Okay, so here take any one diagonal as the line of symmetry and shade a few more squares to make the figure symmetric about a diagonal. Is there more than one way to do that? Will the figure be symmetric about both the diagonals? Okay, so actually, okay, this is not symmetric now. Okay, so I'm taking a diagonal here for the square like this. Okay, so I need to make this figure symmetric. How I can make that? I'm doing only one. Okay, So this is vacant. If this is colored, this much part is okay. Since this is colored, I should color this one also. Actually, I should choose black. Okay, I could color this. Should I choose? Is there an option? Yes, I will choose black here because this is colored, right? Okay. Since this is colored, I should, since this one is colored, no, I should color this one also. Okay. Okay. All right. Then this one, I should color this one. Correct. Okay. Since this is colored, I should color this one also. Now look at it. The figure is symmetrical, right? I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4. I colored 4 squares and I made it symmetrical. And this you can draw it. Okay, so this is the line of symmetry. So you should complete the square. So here, how it will come? When you are folding, you should get that. Correct? From here, I will go like this. Am I right? I will draw like this. Okay. Then how can I draw the next part? You can draw like this. Good. Draw like this. Help me out, guys. How I can do this? I can draw like this, no? Yes, then I can, from here, I can draw like this, like this. Yes, now I made it correct. This is the thing. Okay, so now it's identical, right? Yes, if you fold, that will be symmetrical. Okay, this is very easy. You can draw like this, this, like this, and like this, correct? And here, this one, you have to make it symmetrical, right? So from here, you can draw a curve like this. My God, Please draw it very neatly. Okay, like this you can draw. Okay, state the number of lines of symmetry for the following. Okay, this you can draw it. Since equilateral triangle, it will be having. Okay, so this will be 3. Isosceles triangle, only 1. Scaling, 0. Square, 4. Correct rectangle, 2. Rhombus, how many lines of symmetry you could have in a rhombus? Think. I think it's 0. No line of parallelogram. Okay. What about regular hexagon? Hexagon means 6 regular, right? So it will be 6. Circle, infinity. Okay. Then you are confused. Parallelogram has 0 line of symmetry. Just think of a. Okay, rhombus means all the sides are equal. Okay. So it will be having, I think, it is having 2 lines of symmetry. I think so. Okay. Just try doing it. Rhombus. How many lines of symmetry do rhombus have? Check it, draw it. Check it. Rhombus. Check it. 2 only, right, along the diagonal. Is it quadrilateral? We don't know, because quadrilateral can be different types. A different quadrilateral will be having different. So simply a quadrilateral, I'm just writing as 0. Okay, what letter of the English alphabet reflection symmetry? Okay, so just do it. Okay, which letters? Reflection symmetry and normal symmetry, like it's just the same only. So you see the letters which can be divided into equal halves. Okay, so vertical, horizontal, and the letters with both horizontal and vertical. Please try doing as a homework. Please give examples of shapes with no lines of symmetry. No lines of symmetry, simply a quadrilateral. It will not having a line of symmetry. Correct. Our hand do not have any line of symmetry. Correct. Shapes, parallelogram. What other name can you give to the line of symmetry of an isosceles triangle? Okay. All right. So for this, I can isosceles triangle. You know the word median. Median is the line from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay. So for isosceles triangle also, like if you draw an isosceles triangle, if you draw a from the center to the midpoint of this, that will be the line of symmetry. So it will be the median, and for a circle it will be the diameter. Diameter will be the line of symmetry. Okay, so the next concept we will discuss it in the next class. So let's wind it up here. Okay, so if you like my channel, please do subscribe it. Please do like my channel and share my channel. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye.